Hello, if you're using Google Docs to write your research papers, then you definitely want to know about this little hack. You can use Google Docs citation tool to easily generate citation sources and references. Let me show you how. I'm using this sample document, Lorem Ipsum. So let's suppose I have this in-text citation. It's called Lemke. So what I want to generate a citation source for this in-text citation. I'll go to Tools, click on Tools, then Citations. Then on the right hand side, as you can see, there is a panel here. I will choose the citation style. I'll choose APA, and then I'll click on Add Citation Source. This is a book for sure, and then you can choose if it's a website, journal article, and then you go to accessed by, choose one of these options here. Let's say it's a website, and then you can either search for the book or for the source using ISBN, or you can cite manually, which I will do. The author's name, it's Anna Lemke. This is a wonderful book I'm reading right now. And then title is Dopamine Nation. Okay, publisher, I believe it's Penguin Random House, I think, something like this. All right, let's just say Random House. It's 2021, and then volume, short title, and then URL. Just paste this one here. If you have these info, you can paste them here, but I don't have them for now. And then when I finish, I click on Add Citation. This is the citation source for this in-text citation, which is wonderful. Now, if you want to delete this citation source or edit it, just click on the dots here. You can edit or delete. And then the great thing is, when you add too many citation in-text citations here, you can very easily generate your bibliography here or reference list. Just click at the bottom of the page, and then here in the right hand corner, click on Insert References, and Google Docs will generate a reference list of all the citation sources you've input here. That's an easy way to generate your sources and save you a lot of time. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.